We are the expert manufacturer of Sous Vide cooking machine equipped with ultrasonic. That is our application patent, which utilize the ultrasonic vibration. The tan is large tan, which need a facility to make even heat during the mass production. There are a lot of the food bed inside the machine, and how to make the even heat over the tan. This is our goodness about the ultrasonic to make numerous bubbles to achieve the even heat function. So here are the regular production model. First one is 250 liter. Second one is 125 liter. This is 75 liter, 50 liter. On top of the bench, we have a 28 liter, 20 liter, 10 liter, and 6 liter in two type, 2 form. Here, we would like to see the closer of the 10. This is the 6 liter. This is the 10 liter. The tap for the water out, and the panel is very easy to read. It's ultrasonic. These are 2 buttons. First one is the sous vide cooking, and it's ultrasonic cleaning to set the temperature and set the time and start. Easy to operate. This is the 20 liter, and this is the 28 liter. We have a basket for every machine. That is for people handling easier. And on the cable, this is only a very simple power cord which insert to the part here to get the electricity. And this is 50, 75, 75 liter. We also have a basket for it. You can watch the video that is special for the 75 liter. It shows how the basket is, and this is 125 liter. We have individual video which you can also reference to see the basket. And from the 125 liter, start to use the 3-phase electricity. So it's provided with the just with the cable for people to connect to the main switch. So this is 250 liter. 250 liter. It's a very popular model. 250 liter can handle 80 kilo food one time cooking. Even bigger model we can produce tailor-made like 500 or 1000 liter. Welcome for inquiry.